Hey, Dada. Emily's eating salad. See? Point to Dada where your salad is. There it is. That's right. Emily's eating salad with her dinner today. She's got pizza and corn and a tater tot casserole and salad. Uh-oh. Be sure and chew that lettuce up good, okay?
I swallowed it.
You swallowed it, but yeah, chew that really good and take small bites, okay? There you go. Yeah, just take that one bite right there. There you go. And chew that really good before you swallow it. Is that good salad?
It's special.
Look at her hair, isn't it cute?